I'll guide you through withdrawing Bitcoin from Cash App to a hardware wallet so you can take full control of your private keys in 2026. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open your hardware wallet's companion apps such as Ledger Live or Trezor Suite and generate a new receive address to ensure your funds have a secure destination. Go to the Bitcoin tab in Cash App and tap the send arrow to initiate a transfer of your digital assets to your external wallet. Toggle the currency display from USD to BTC to ensure you are entering the precise amount of Bitcoin you wish to withdraw rather than a fluctuating dollar value. Verify that your account has at least 0.001 BTC if you plan to use the standard withdrawal speed, as this is the minimum balance required for free on-chain transfers. Scan the QR code from your hardware wallet using the Cash App camera or paste the address manually, double-checking every character to prevent a permanent loss of funds. Select the priority speed if you need your Bitcoin in under 10 minutes, or choose the standard option to enjoy a zero-fee transfer that typically completes within 24 hours. Enter your cash PIN or use biometric authentication to authorize the transaction and broadcast your Bitcoin to the blockchain. Use the Lightning Network for smaller withdrawals if your hardware wallet supports it, which allows you to bypass the standard 0.001 BTC minimum and enjoy near-instant settlement. Check your activity feed to find the Blockchain Explorer link, where you can monitor the status of your transaction as it receives network confirmations. Submit your photo ID for verification in the app settings if the withdrawal feature is locked, as Cash App requires full identity verification for all external crypto transfers in 2026. Keep a record of your transaction ID, but rest easy knowing that moving Bitcoin to your own hardware wallet is not a taxable sale and won't trigger a 1099 DA report. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.